A trip to a pumpkin patch in Lackawanna County could help families affected by Hurricane Helene.
The annual fall fundraiser is shifting gears following the devastating hurricane down south. Newswatch 16's Jack Culkin shows us how.
Some have bumps and lumps. Others have different colors.
People love our green ones that look soft and velvety over there.
But each pumpkin that sits in the parking lot of Clark Summit United Methodist Church will help raise money for the Appalachia Service Project.
We take high school students to repair homes. We do roofs, additions sometimes, porches, a lot of wheelchair ramps, siding to make homes warmer, safer, and drier.
For the past 25 years, Susan Whitman has taken hundreds of students from the Abingtons to complete service projects in Appalachia. This year, the trip south means a little more, as Whitman and other volunteers will be working in areas hit by Hurricane Helene.
It will benefit a lot of homes. Appalachia Service Project is working in the areas right now, and that's actually their base in Johnson City, Tennessee, and they were affected by the flooding.
A walk through the temporary pumpkin patch will see many ready for the front porch.
We also have a lot of really nice carving pumpkins right now.
Or perhaps something for the inside, like a mini pumpkin or gourd. Each one sold will help the service group get a little closer to reaching its fundraising goal, each dollar helping send, feed, and house a volunteer.
They will see a lot of things that they don't see in the Abington areas, all the destruction, and they also just see how the people live and how they help each other and what it takes to bring a community back.
Appalachia Service Project's pumpkin sale fundraiser is open 7 days a week and runs through October 31st. Jack Culkin, Newswatch 16, Lackawanna County.